Chineke. Hey! 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 Hey!
Come. Huh? Why you dey pour acid inside that place? You want spoil the gutter?
No, madam, no be acid though. I just the peace.
Peace?
Yes.
Well, come on, close your mouth. Which kind of peace? You don't ever see where person the peace they cry?
No they cry. You know, I just they shout. Tears no dey my eyes now. But I don't know how my teeth just they do me.
Your thing, you no get name.
I mean, my family, my prick.
Waiting do am.
Madam, you don't tell where this thing start though. I know the thing don't too worry me. Eh? If I did peace like this, I would see small things like pus or blood go dey come.
Hey!
I don't know.
Acute gonorrhea. Now you get acute one. Hey! Wahala dey.
Madam, I beg. As you know the name, so now you say you go know what you will do. Help me now. Wetin I go do am?
Two things are involved.
Two?
Yes. You see that you cut am?
Hey, no. I no fit cut am now. If I cut am, which one I will take produce?
Or you cure am?
I won't cure am.
You don't get problem now. Me, I dey cure anything. I get degree for all those anything. Yeah, go no staffy. I dey cure all of them. But now your money.
Okay. Like how much? Hey!
Waiting.
Chineke. Now. I go call that kind of money now. The money too much. Where one man get am from now?
From bank now.
Which kind of person you be, self? Eh? Why you tell no say I get money for bank? You know whether if I get money, thing come they will worry me.
Nothing can concern me. Carry and dead here now. Don't touch me like you the crazy.
Sorry. Hey, sorry. So madam, sorry. Sorry, I beg. No verse. Eh? No verse, I beg. Just that I want tell you. If let's say you no get woman mind, help me now. Eh? Just cut small thing, reduce whatever I'll fee pay am.
Now pity, I just dey pity you. You dey hear me so? Because if you carry this thing go hospital, now cut, they go cut and sharp.
Eh? Maka why one?
Because he dey useless. Now wait till they ask me.
Chineke.
You know they pay you.
Madam, are you a prophet or prophetess? I think no say this thing they pay me. They pay me well. Even for the mouth, they pay me.
I get master degree for them. That's what they do. He go pay you small thing, he go enter HIV.
Eh? Maka why one?
That's what they do.
Jesus, God forbid. God forbid. You know go turn. I beg. Just go now. Man, try.
How do they get my money now?
I go bring him. Move, just help me.
You go. But if you don't give me my money, I go send them back times 10.
Madam, I beg. No.
That's why they do. Go ask about me, oh. Please. That's why they do my own thing. Oh, yeah, come, make I go cure you.
Okay.
Chalo, you call God now. But you know, remember God when you dey on top woman, they do press up without condom.
Punish you. Be my fault.
Shut up, no call God.
Sorry. Now, so the thing just now.
I said, I go inside though.
Sorry.
Just shut your mouth and follow me.
I beg. Now you don't set me up. I don't do okay.
Now when you do open your attitude, no go carry this rubbish next time. Oh, you dey hear me?
Hey, at the grace, I smoke toilet. Ha! I know we try him again, no.
Make sure it no happen again.
No. But madam, you get one thing we will forget.
What be that?
You know, say first we cook soup finish, they test them like this. So as you don't work me now, when I don't set, I don't do okay. I want test them. I know that if I don't.
May you test
them. The work,
For where?
But I'm just
come man. Yes, today. Okay. I don't care you finish now. You want to test them? Go test them for your mama. Go test them for your mama, idiot. See, now I tell you. Now when you don't give me my money, now that time I go do you something. Now that time I go show you say Gono plus Obrina daughter now equals to obituary. Hey, idiot.
I wish you the same.
You. Nah, what this kind of small boys? What you come concern me and them now? So I don't pity this maga now. Come go now. What you there to do? What you there to do? No, come go. I know how you. Come go.
Madam.
Come up from my area. Come they go. What you come concern me and you? Now when you don't bring my money, now that time you go know who I be.
No, but what
there you go.
What thing I talk no be bad thing. I just make you just.
Na meza pata menyi. Nwambe isi n'ikpata onye. Nwambe isi n'ikpata onye. Nasimani adubeyi chebeyi.
What will be your name? Now which village you from? You know the talk.
Bia, you the craze?
Hell.
No, you the mad? They send you. If I say you don't get respect, Naka on kuku poor here say so. You.
I mean, shut up. What do they talk? Why you not able to go ask Google now? Or now you then draw inside money?
Nah, hey. You go know your friend manual. Come. You know they ask question. Now anybody where you see go just open mouth they talk anyhow, abi? Come, you never ask them why did they come here Ojuku for here? Eh? May I ask you? When David begin fall for Goliath? Eh? Respect to Onwe go.
Hey, I mean, shut up. What do they talk?
If you vex me, if I vex for you, I could just forget. Battle for that your big belly, you dey mad. Yes, no try me, oh.
Even heaven no say I go beat you like small pikin where you be.
You say? You say?
I say I go beat you like small pikin where you be. You even know how to hold that ball to true. You say? So you sabi break bottle.
You say? You say it?
You say you
say it?
You
want challenge me? Now challenge you want challenge me?
Hey, break the bottle,
no worry. No run, just wait for me.
Oh, you don't need to go inside, oh. See you. Person one fight, not the wrong. Go enter, come outside again. Now where fight meet you, you go begin fight them. See this one. Oh, you small for this matter where would they talk? Oh.
Come on, come on, yeah, come. Chineke, where you there? Hey! Oh! Hey! Oh, Feke, you don't F up! Hey! With my yo-yo! You for come now! Oh, Feke, they come carry fegi sin off ya now! Who's soon now? Anum pama. Hey! Oh! Okay. Ano banata. Eti bunta. Idiot. Foko ha ko ni use.
Come here.
Come
here. No be you. Now this drum where they here they call. What did they do yourself? A person go to call you, they ask you question. You go to return them again with question. Anyway, what's in there?
What's in there where?
You mean I said that only you carry first story building for you?
Waiting be that now. You no go respect yourself.
Oh. You smoke it, bro.
Smoke waiting. You dey do anyhow because we dey Yoruba land, abi?
I mean, forget all this Yoruba land and wait who they follow you, they talk about this discrimination or anything. Cause you get what I want to tell you. You get what I want to tell you. You know sir like you. Emeka. You know sir I like you. But before I go confirm everything finish, I want to know something. You feel wacko well. I mean, say, you feel wacko. You know, say, this thing they scratch me.
Nonsense. You don't even get so.
Go here. Come. Emeka!
Leave me, let me be. I go shout to her.
Emeka, no me dey follow you there, so where you dey waka go? Kabila say you not mad finish so. This way, calm down now. I don't think I go feel wacko. Make the boy just they enter, they come out, they go, they enter, they go, they come out. This guy won't spoil my day. I don't they charge, they fight body, they go down. Come better. This matter never talk fight, man. Come on, reason now. Emeka. Now who put stop for my space? Who tied my stove?
Yeah? Why you touch my stove now? You the man? Why you touch my stove now?
You know, say that you come new for this house. So? And it go better when you ask questions before you begin to match everybody. Why you put stuff on my space?
Cut her where you there. Meaning what? I can't take permission from you before I keep my stove. Second say you be who? I won't know that I be one day. Not for this stove again, no. And I have forget. Now they come on this thing for here. What do you mean by that? Eh?
Are you not going to full time? What are you doing?
You punish you. God punish you.
Hey! Who they say that you dey start now?
Who they start?
Who they say that you dey start now? Give me. You know.
Hey! For this kind of physicality.
You know
For this.
You dey never.
God punish you.
How?
Tell away you.
Hey! You know I feel good for here.
I don't go feel you waiting.
You know I feel.
You dey crazy.
Hey, no problem. Come and carry matches now. Enter. Make I dey see you.
Make I enter.
Yes.
Make I
You
enter.
know if you stay here.
You know come out there.
Yes, I know they come out.
1, 4,
Yes.
3.
Hey!
No.
Hey! Confirm. Mark you. Tell me that matches.
You just come begin like come on for this.
Never.
My school.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This
You
way.
go my ball.
You not go do
Enough
anything.
Enough wala.
Excuse me. Sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boy.
Please, I'm looking for somebody. My name is Obina.
Man or woman?
A lady.
Lay.
D.
So woman don't they hungry you? Woman don't they hungry you? Obina, how old are you?
So, sorry, are you telling me or not?
Okay. Now this thing where they in between your two left legs. Now they make your body they hot. I mean now they send you message. Anyway, what's be her name? Oh?
Her name is Ofeke or Rose.
Blood of Satan!
What is it?
So now you give my sister that disease.
Jesus Christ.
Never forget Jesus for this matter.
Me? Disease?
That mean you carry staphylococcus and chronic gonorrhea give am. Even get one other again, I don't even remember. Come, you know go.
See,
You know go till you give us money to treat her. You know go.
I swear to God, I've never heard this kind of name in my life before.
I mean, she dey lie. Because I been remember say she tell me say now one no be now when they lanky like this, give am this disease. Give am staphylococcus, give am this gonorrhea, and one other third one say when say I don't even remember.
I've never had virus since I was born.
You mean now?
Now, Abi, do you want us to sit down?
Hey, please go. We still dey talk this one when they go. We never finish and you don't dey say you wan carry we go and talk. I better go. If you say you dey use something for mouth for women they talk, abi.
Well, in case she comes back, just tell her that I came looking for her.
You dey go.
No, show me where to sleep.
You mean I say you no carry disease?
No, I don't have any disease. I've never had virus since I was born.
Anyway, you go better make you go check yourself. Because as I dey talk now, she dey hospital and na 50,000 naira doctor need to treat am. She dey hospital now. Go check yourself. You know they show for face so.
Excuse me. 50,000 naira?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Oh, they there. They say, are you serious? Go check yourself, oh. Because the last one I remember say she get staphylococcus, she get gonorrhea, she get 1 2 1 2 again where I don't know this gogoro. You know these names.
It's okay, it's okay.
She get them, oh.
It's okay. Thank you so much for the information.
No problem. This is just the beginning. Gonorrhea. Staphylococcus. Una dogs are no go rest for this house. Una self no go sleep. I beg, where are you to?
Come, Rose. Where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from?
Ah, me sure no dear also. Who you dey shout for? Eh? Come, which kind of question be that one? You see people wey carry their market, they come back. You dey ask me where they come. Where you think inside they come from before?
So you don't want to tell me the truth, right?
No, huh?
A lady told me you went to the hospital.
For what now? Yeah. Are they sick? Eh? Are they go hospital? Are they sick? Come, who they tell you that kind of rubbish?
She also said that you told her that I, Obinna, infected you with gonorrhea and staphylococcus.
Hey! Go get it. Yeah! Nah, eh? Only nature no ha. No go check na my head. Nah, it useless so. Let's say you that kind of rubbish. You stand there like Opo, they listen. On a cock gonorrhea, how high na gonorrhea? If I get gonorrhea, why they go hospital now? Washing and setting. Yeah.
Who is that lady to you?
Which lady?
The lady I'm talking about.
Onye? Okay, that lady. Now your mama. Get away from my face.
Rose.
I like to lie. I like to imagine. I like. I sabi medicine well. Anything will be medical. Yeah, now my career be that. See, I fit cure anything, no. Anything I fit cure. I fit cure kwashiorkor. I fit cure epilepsy. I fit cure stomach ulcer. I fit cure nosebleed. Anything I fit cure them.
You know me now?
Yeah. Anamaka. Make I not tell you. HIV is. I dey cure am.
Rose. Shebi they say HIV/AIDS no get cured.
Leave those people na lie, they lie. No be for where I dey. Na because say they never shine their torchlight to where I dey. You don't understand? Okay. If you think say I no sabi what I dey do, make I tell you what you go do if your boyfriend no fit perform. Just bring tin milk. Bring native egg. Come add a small alum. Mix am. Give am 30 minutes before show. Hey, babe. Now you go run. Your nyash go tear.
Rose. Rose the doctor.
Na me na.
Rose, you don't get one thing I don't think. I don't think of how to tell you since.
Babe, ask me now when you still get opportunity to talk to me. Because very soon I go blow.
No vex so. You see this Ofemano woman, a big lady, a big girl. I don't know which one to. What be your problem with herself?
What in me and I'm fit get? No mind that one, no. That one for this yard, I go deal with her.
Hey! Monica! So you don't reach this level? No, tell me now. You don't reach this level. Man, you don't put my name, join your gossip. Not be so.
So, what do you want to do about them? They ask you. Every time one person they talk now, so you go just there.
Hey!
For corner, they listen. You don't get business. You don't work.
Monica, they warn you. Make I not begin count your name, join my enemies list for this yard. Monica, they warn you, they warn you.
I'm not talking anything, no. She be me and you just the day.
Hey, no give me that level. Wait. What do you want to do?
No, you dey ask me what
you go do.
Me.
No be no be anything, no.
Oh, me. Wetin me I want to. Come on, the man. You say call your come joke. You dey mad? Well, you just say call your come play. So you dey use my name gossip.
You get them
more. Not be only more. Na mora.
Oh, you get them?
Yes.
You carry and come slap my friend.
Too much.
Ezioku.
Forget. I go keep forget. I go kill you. Forget. For here. Never. Forget. Never. Now here you go there today. Come here. Wait. Come here. I want to fight things. Yeah. Forget. Okay, you go there here. God, forgive me what I go do this boy today.
You are a liar. A bloody liar.
Now me they call that name.
Yes.
Now me they call that name.
Abi, what did you hear? They say that the devil is the father of all liars. Now I ask, between you and the devil, who lie pass?
So why you not go ask your mama for house, say, who lie pass? Come on. Before I been say you get sense, but now I know say you borrow that sense when you carry call that day. But today, I go teach you lesson when say you don't go feel forget me for your life.
I beg, free me, Joe. Make I.
No, that's me go back. What's in the talk?
Free me.
You not gonna be enter here.
I go with you.
That man don't make me.
I go with you.
Now maybe that girl when I come to
Mudogo yaro, and monkey tail. Aro, bami we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she want to vent though. Sorry for the gods. Now she say Morogo. What's it coming like bow? What's it coming like sorry for the gods, oh my God, it's sanity. See your back calamity. Girl, I want to have it. Do I need your permit? Oh yeah, I need it. Money, we got it. Better lower darling. We go donate up for you like charity. Oh, sour cool vine. Oh, Shama with a tool for the vine. Erica go by to a divine. Yeah, but yeah, I want to redefine. I don't get me wrong, long per minute talk, but Tim me strong and money me long. You feel my boy, I buy. I'm sorry, what's in on the bag? And monkey tail. Bami we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she want to vent though. Sorry for the gods. Now she saying Morogo. What's it coming like? What's it coming like? Sorry for the gods.
See, wanna make sure say una sell well. Make una no allow those Omo sell pass una. Make una no allow Omo sell pass una. Now we get this thing, now we originate am. You hear what I tell you? Shagba, make una no allow them collect sign,
And monkey tail. Bami we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she want to vent though. Sorry for the gods. Now she saying Morogo. What's it coming like bow? What's it coming like sorry for the gods, so.
Don't forget what I tell you now.
Yes, Mama.
Make those Omo not sell pass now. Now we get this thing, Now we get this thing,
Now who get this ghetto? Now we. Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you know could be our area baby. Now she be your guy. Now she the root for yeah. Now she.
No try and you dey craze. Na the agboro work wey you dey do for here dey shake your brain. You smoke?
If you try this thing next time, I swear, I go forget my hand for your face.
Forget your hand for my face? See, make you forget this small body. Oh. Small body no be sickness. In fact, make I pity you now.
See, make I tell you, no try do this nonsense wey you do today next time. You see this your hair, where they like fake footballer hair, made this scissors, passasia the thing, idiot.
What depend on these scissors or nka kwa scissors, and how about that nka or pachie?
See, make I tell you, if you try this thing next time, make I warn you, if you try am next time, Sazinde. Listen.
Let me do mistake, come follow na bayabo.
Come and get that from here. Go. You begin a wobble on a Chelsea, give Bruce Red now, but I know here.
Still, let Chelsea be this one.
Idiot.
Whoa, Alika 7 up.
Idiot, every time. Person go one consent for here. Person go dey do any nonsense. I beg. Alika 7 up.
What I tell you to say? If now war where they want, now war we go give them. Bam. Now see that Alagidi. Me una dey careful. I don't trust that girl at all.
Mama, you won't make me forget Alagidi or make me no fight am because she be Alagidi or she dey dangerous.
No be wetin I talk. If they give you 1, give them 10. Now eye for eye, tooth for tooth. Anybody will shoot you for 1 eye, shoot out for you 2 eyes. You don't understand? Oh man, it's not about one. What I go? We come here before this, so they know people for sure. It's not possible. I thought you said that we go push them for more.
Confirm.
I go take una song here. I go prepare una spiritual.
Oh yeah, give my money. Give my money.
Come. You don't do too much for this park. I know why they leave you.
What you so?
You do yourself. You dey crazy.
Yeah, if you don't craze before, no carry and come my side. You dey hear me so?
Come on, shut up there. I want to rearrange this your face for you.
See, if you don't rearrange my face today, commit that fool. Who will punish you and your family? You dey hear me so? Give me my money.
See that money? No, collect them today.
I said give me my money. What you dey talk?
Come on, leave me, Joe.
Come on, wait to say you dey go for me lower job. What to be that?
See this? I go kill this girl, oh. You dey crazy.
I go tell Agidi for you. Give me my money. I'll go tell Agidi for you. Okay, no worry. I go tell Agidi for you. Go punish you. Go punish you, idiot. Go tell Agidi for you. You dead boy.
This one now be the last part of this initiation. Every other thing we una do. Now this one we go take random up. So una go enter inside this coffin and una go stay there for 3 days.
Mama, you mean say we go die like dead people?
No, na disappear. You know say you don't die before. Hey, you don't die since. Na to bury you na it remain. Oh, una think say all these things what we dey do since na beans? No be beans so. But na this one now we go take cack everything up. You no understand? Make that thing where we dey find. Make we get am. Eh?
Mama, this one go hard though. You mean say we go die, can't stand up on the third day like Jesus?
Na so. But the difference be say, if una wake up on that third day, person no fit harm you. Knife gun e no fit penetrate this una body. Una go strong kakaraka. You don't understand?
So, monkey disappear and appear, what will you do?
Just disappear this one first. When you appear, you go know how far. So, make una know the fear, nothing go do you. See, me, I don't go through all these things. No be me dey here. Oh yeah. You, enter. Make we dey do am sharp, yeah? Next person. Oh yeah. I go there here 3 days. They wait for you. Yeah?
Who be your customer? Who be your customer? You say here.
Who bring this mad dog come here? Now my customer. I been you bring her for me. What if I come here, sir?
Now me they come mad dog.
Come out here.
Anyway, I don't find you come here. You, Chacha, what you gonna call your way? Where my money?
Money?
Yes, the money where you owe me. Where my money?
I dey owe you money.
You dey ask.
She say no they owe you. Why you there, brother?
Now my money you collect.
When this I call you come play, come collect some.
Oh Jesus! Just save me. Make a note of best keep person for here. Come. So if let's say you don't throw away your fear, be now you make you gather liver, enter my territory. Come collect money on top of them.
You don't been slice my pocket. Hey! Hey! Go give me that. I go kill you. I go kill you. I go kill you. You go for me. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Leave me. You don't die. Leave me.
Price your coffee.
Oh my God!
Price your coffee.
Oh my God! I go kill you. Oh my God!
Give me that one.
You don't say you don't stop.
Die here. You go die here.
You don't start the one. Why you go here? I don't want you.
Give me the money.
Oh my God!
Go.
I'm trying to go.
Give me the
I will keep it. I will keep it. I will keep it. Now the power where we ask from you, now here we come plan for this pact today. Queen of the coast, anybody born of a woman, may they not get power over us. Anybody born of a woman, make them not fit destroy us. We commit the four corners of this pact into your hands, Queen of the coast. Both north, west, south, east, anywhere they are coming from, any evil where they bring, may we they jump and pass. Any evil word that they bring, man with a jump and pass. Any evil word that they bring, man with a jump and pass. If we can't see anybody, we're stubborn. When talk say go destroy us. Hey, Queen of the coast, may the person that die. May the person that die. May the person that die. Agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹ́kú o, agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹja, agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹ́kú o, agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹja, agbórí ilẹ̀ àòkú mọ́. Àṣẹdọwọ́ ilẹ̀ tájọ mú.
Dorimando, Dorimando, Dorima. Dorimando, Dorimando, Dorima. Omugabe, Dorimando, Dorimando, Dorima. Chavani, Dorimando, Dorimando, Dorima. Tubekwani, Dorimando, Dorimando, Dorima. Our mama, we don't call. Nothing will carry us come here. We no be say we need power. Now you there everywhere. You know what thing we want. I beg, no forsake us. We want make you give us power. We go make us rule this park. We dedicate this pot where we take the cook our bowl to your hand. I want draw your power enter this pot so that any abo we cook with this pot. Now so people go just they rush am. Now so people go just they think about am. Anywhere where they in day, now so they go think of our Igbo. Now so they go think of our Agbo. Anybody wey come this park wey no drink our Agbo, if they go, you go know say they miss something. Even if they go anywhere chop finish, as they go now our Agbo they think of. And they draw power from the four cardinals of the earth. Eke, Odie, Afo, Nkwo. And they draw them, they enter this pot. Anything where we cook, where from this pot come out now star. Anything where we cook, from this pot come out. Now so they go the Russian. Now we go the rule this part. Now our matter they go the talk for this part. Now our story they go the talk for this part. I know say you dey here. I know say you dey answer us. I know say you dey nod your head where you dey. Because you know say waiting we talk here, you fit do am. Hey! I dey feel am. Hey! I dey feel am. I dey feel am. I dey feel am. Chai! It don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen. It don't happen.
Come, Missy Bolivar. Easy money man, I hear they call. Come here.
What's up?
Come on. I want me to see this thing what I want to tell you now, like advice. You go better me, you know they show yourself again for this park. Because you just distribute stuff, liquor cost, gonorrhea. Everything where they carry cost, now is they share for this park. For all these small girls. You go better me stop.
So now this thing make you call me for where I they do my thing. Make you come they insult yourself. Come, I don't know what you take yourself say you be for this park. Not just they show yourself for this park anyhow. How you gonna walk up for park and disturb people up and down? Not only I said they sell medicine for this park. What if your own self?
Me?
Yes, you now they talk to.
Amy, see ma tell you. You know we use 4 liters petrol watch season film
That one concern you.
You know we use one hand clap
They use one hand clap before.
I'm on a season film, you know watch and finish
See, make I tell you, not just let your size deceive you. Don't let your size deceive you. I go take you anyhow. I go just do you anyhow. I go rubbish you for this part.
They don't burn you well.
Anything where you like do, me I go show you for this part.
Anyway, me I don't talk my own.
I pass you. I pass you. Go sit down. Because I say you dey sell am mumu medicine where you dey sell. Don't dey waka dey threaten people for this part. Nonsense. Next time I dey go.
What did they call you? Nah, what did that your name again? Nah, Funke or what did they call you? So I won't make you vomit that thing when you talk that day because my head don't come now. So just talk.
You know the fear face. I be you the craze.
Where the face do I go fear? Because I find the face I don't see him. Oh, now this one or another one there for house.
So I don't they talk now. You get the moral to they talk back at me. You the craze. Yeah. You get the moral. Let me the talk to. Fuck the worry you. Fuck the what? You the talk to me. You the craze you. Shut up. You the craze. You the get out for this place. You not believe here. That die for you.
You cannot stand from here. You not be standing now. If I stand up, Papa there is your go punish. Next time you go come fight.
Make you don't cross this place again, oh. If you cross, I'll die for you.
Stand and fight now. Where are?
Now who get this ghetto? Now who get this side? Now we. If you say we no go back, we go show you power. Now who get this ghetto?
I'm making plans for us to go and see your parents.
Yeah. Bros, I know sure say that one day necessary for now.
Why? Why would you say that?
Must you know everything?
Rose, you know you're my tata. If there is anything, just let me know.
When the time comes, you will know. But for now, just cool down. Cool down. What I go?
But you know that what we are doing is not right in the sight of God.
Oh, but it is right in your own eyes, Oria. Now leave that thing. After all, when God created man and woman, not before them to do that thing. And when was Dikeh,
the Bible says that marriage is honorable when the bed is not defiled.
Mama, no come here to teach me Bible. See, you get your own life to live. Me, I get my own to live. If you don't like what we they do, you waka na. Shoo, waka.
Okay, cocaine now.
Awesome. Lovers. Two lovers.
Come on now here, this place not be hotel. As you can see, na yard number 24. Not be hotel. So now una try go hotel if una want do all this una lovey-dovey, all these lovey-dovey things.
What's wrong with this lady?
You see am? You see am?
Why won't you mind your business for once?
I am minding my business. That is why I'm saying it. Make una no come infect everybody with una sickness and diseases. All this gonorrhea, staphylococcus.
Wait till they bring that one now. No, they ask you. Wait till they bring that kind of talk now. Eh? Come. You be like say you don't forget saying na me be the Ojuku for this year. You dey mad?
Pa, Queen of the Coast. Inside you will kill everybody in 1 minute.
To God who made me, I go tie your mouth. No allow me take the vexation where my body jam you for there. You dey hear me so?
Don't worry, Rose. 2 people don't get mad at the time. So, free her.
Even you, see you. I know say as you dey here so. Na me green full your body. All this your body what they say, I know say na me. But you. So you don't forget. You don't forget so soon. The kind thing what happened to you here, you don't forget. You, they call me mad woman. Guy, you know say I full ground remain for you. I sure say you don't go like repetition of that thing.
You dey crazy, so I get out.
I know they come out.
Come on, you know come on here.
As I know they come out, let's see what happened. I know they come out. Forget. Forget it. Leave me. I know you. What will happen now? More you this thing. More you to fight each other now.
Who is this one now? Ke di kwanka?
Hey, Onibo, what did you say you do? Where you think say you dey carry that water go? What dey worry you?
You know they see. What be like Sawondu? I shower one shower now.
You know say that one no go dey possible. Why you go come on my bucket for water? Put your own bucket to go, but you dey mad.
Come. You be like say that one a madam where they carry. Where they carry all of me. Be like say the madness. Be like say don't transfer entire your own.
You dey mad. You know you dey mad. Now my matter just begin to talk about. I go mend you. You dey craze. I go. You dey mad. I go pour your water. You dey mad. I go pour your water away.
I thought you. At the game we dey play. If you dance like Jackson, ọmọ yẹn kò kàn mí o. Owó ní kókó, àlọ́ náà gẹ̀rẹ́. This life out there, I go chop out in a minute. Whether they like am or not. I like it.
You know they fear o. That's it. Ofunkuru jo na nwa adozgananya. You don't chop liver, abi? You don't gather liver. Now it make you send those your Atinga girls. Maybe go fight my girls. Hey. Yeah. I don't they want you. I don't they want you. Come on your hand for my territory. Come on your eye for my business. So. Come on monkey hand for soup before you go turn to person hand though. I don't they want you. See as I just come here now, gently, they tell you this thing. Next time why I go come, you don't go there like this. You don't say we don't make noise like una. We don't talk in vain. We they back up our talk with action. You don't understand? So, no try am again, no. Or else I go show you why they call me Oju. Very soon. Ozu. I got that what you lose on. What kind of nonsense? That's how I don't try am again. You see what I do?
If you dance like Jackson, I'm a coco. Only coco. Malasu egbe. Only coco. Ala repete.
Wait now. From that side. I don't call you.
Wait to be that.
Where they come from?
What's the meaning of waiting they tell me? I beg, waiting be the problem. I dey go. Make we dey go.
Wait now. Huh?
I beg, talk with you want talk. Which one be?
You remain small. I want to tell you one thing.
Wait to be that.
Okay. Yeah. I want to tell you say I love you.
Hey! Hey! Fear face, Abi. Fear don't walk out come up for your eye, Abi. You won't die here.
Why you now? Where they talk now? Let me ask you. To love na crime.
Okay. Me say if I love you, make we dey go, Abi. Make we dey go.
You love me, You love me too. Thank you very much.
I beg, make we the ex. I don't get this guy time.
Never go now. You remember one thing. I want to tell you, say, you kiss me.
Kiss on the hungry this one, no. Babe, kiss her small. You won't make me kiss you.
Why you talk like this now? Just kiss me. Small.
Okay, no problem. I go kiss you but tomorrow.
Just give me taste.
I don't give you chance. They go, I beg make you the head. Kiss you. But kiss you go die. I beg make you the go.
Kiss. I don't say na jealousy. They worry you. Yeah. Come on. Kiss. Nah. You did this now. Just give. In fact, what the hell? In fact, get out. Baga.
Wetin this thing mean? Why wanna come here? Wetin happen? They disturb my peace. Wetin happen?
Who you dey ask? Why you no fit go ask your mama Ojuku? Go ask am now.
Alagidi. No call my Ojuku name here. No call my mama name here. No try am.
And if I call am, wetin go happen? Tell me now. Anyway, no be that one me I find call here. Abeg, wetin be those things where you dey call me for my back? Wetin you call me?
Me call you?
Yes, you.
I don't know what you dey talk.
Come on, shut up. You pretend like say you don't know what you talk, Abi.
Me pretend? Why I go pretend? For wetin? Make wetin no happen. I'll get in the middle.
Okay. I don't see say you don't begin get wings. And I know where you come, oh. Now when we say your ears don't shoot out, they don't begin to use hand, they rub your breast for pack. Why you not gonna talk to us now? No worry. Even though you're useless Ojuku, they're not born away when you follow me talk anyhow.
Bah, you don't do. Ozugokwa. No call Ojuku name here. No try am. You go?
Okay. Now when we say you don't get wings, fly, make us see you now. Begin fly.
I don't cross oceans. I don't cross sea. I dey cross river, I know they look back. So nothing they happen. I want if I know. If I buy so if I'm not
oh, I don't see say you don't cross many oceans. So say you don't cross Red Sea. No problem. Now maybe that river now. I want make you cross me. Begin cross me now. Begin, you don't be cross me again.
I think I cross you.
Fuja, Kemi, Oya Elu, Kini Mosa, Elu.
I don't do Ebu. Hey, tonto.
fit be person again?
Mama, I don't understand. Her body just be like stone.
Her body be like stone. Anyway, no problem. I dey go now. I go come back home.
No.
But believe me, I go show you where.
No, make una come back now. Make una don't make una not in the apple. Hey, I don't do. Hey, I don't do come. On where wrong? Come now, come fight. Hey, on where wrong? Hey, I'm on one wife from 9 food, man. On where wrong?
Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you no go bow, we go show you power now. Now who get this ghetto? Now who they run things? Now we.
Come on, now boy you dey born on our shoot you dey see. Because person don dey outside there since Christmas, you no gree come out. And I know say as you long so now so your shit go long reach. Come back here! Come back here! Where you dey go?
Oh, which kind of devil be this now? Come, why I never kill you since? Let me do myself. Why I never kill you since? Make you die come off from my front.
Oh, for your mind now, you think say the thing cannot be mutual. So for your mind now, you think say me never will say me you don't die since.
Eh? Nkita li falling inside. Nkita li falling inside here. Wait, let me ask you. You know why I from come?
Where you from come?
You know why I from come? I be proper Igbo girl. That's it. I don't take myself to do anything though. If you try me here, I go just scatter your teeth. Not touch me again.
Yeah. Since Abema hear one, if you like me you from come from moon, it not concern me. Anywhere where you like me you from come. See me I tell you, I be proper Ijebu-Ode girl. And Ijebu-Ode be headquarter of all witches. Ma tell you, your blood just be like pure water. They fit even dash person sef for free. So ma tell you, I go suck you
Come out here, na mouth. You just dey make mouth. You know the shame. Now the blood where you don't suck, now give you for this country. Aye! Not touch me again, no. Don't touch me.
Oh yeah, you know they go anywhere. What you know they go anywhere?
Come, I go wound you.
I go wound you.
Come, you know.
We go shit for you.
You better say.
Yes, we go shit for you.
Me no go enter. You
I go mess oh.
If you try,
you know me oh. I go mess.
I go shift your hand.
I hear now.
Try now.
You know the shit.
Go try.
We go shit for you.
Oh Jesus. Which kind?
I go mess oh.
If you try, I
you know they go.
Monica, I go report to landlord though. I go report to landlord though.
I support you. Which one this person go go toilet and go flush?
I want that.
And that like her own 9 was pass for this compound. Now her own 9 was pass for this compound.
If you see the kind shit what I see for that toilet,
now she go do am.
Auntie. Auntie, say you don't go market too.
Hey. I bet now when we now begin the mind with our business for this compound. I said now when we now begin the mind with our business for this compound.
Auntie, I swear to God, Makachiniki, nobody gossip with your name.
Not true.
We just dey here, they talk.
I bet shut up. Come on, tell you. Clear conscience and fears no accusation. I dey warn una for this compound. I dey warn una. It's as a matter of I dey warn you for fire. I dey warn you. I don't send you know me. I don't send una. Jobless people.
Thank you, man.
They go there, they talk about people. You sit big like this. How you take know my seat for toilet? Stupid people.
Thank you, man.
In short, I tell you so. I forgive you today. Idiot, you don't see along YouTube. Your mate that they do model. You there you can't waste talent. Rubbish.
You know they go.
Come. You know you come. You just how they follow you to. Give my back. Rubbish people. This how they follow you to. How they fire your mouth. Rubbish.
What's up, Carol? Why do you look me like that? What's with this one? Man, I ticket when I said today now. You know, Sella? Now you get mine to carry and come to show me, Abi. Papa, you know how hard we did to collect money for all these stubborn drivers now.
What of those girls?
I even see them since morning.
Man, checkpoint. You understand? See.
My friend, shut up there.
They do, huh? What do they do here now? Which kind of package be this one now? Which kind of dirty package be this one now?
We just they talk.
You they talk. You they talk. You know what work? You know what work this morning?
Papa, we did the work now.
Eh?
We did the work, sir.
Make I see the ticket.
This ticket still remain like this. You never said anything, you just stay here to talk. Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
Even carry in get my car and come to show me. Which kind of dirty package be this one now? Which kind of package be this one now? Bayo.
Baba.
You don't hear they talk. You don't collect money from those girls.
Baba, I never see them since morning.
You never see them, you don't hear they talk.
I go father go to their house, Baba. I never see them.
Look at this boy, yo.
See, make I tell you now. The kind of package where those girls carry enter this park. You know they sweet me again. You know they sweet me again, and they tell you now. So what do you they suggest?
Tell me what you suggest and make a correct operation for their head. Obviously all this was cool down. Finally now you the door low. To collect money they had on. See, make I tell you now. Make we just they observe them. Make I use this my one naked eye. Just they look them first. Make I know their mind. See, make I tell you about you. You see this ticket. You see this ticket. If you no finish, you can't collect another one. If you no finish,
Baba, put down now. I go sell them. Baba, I go sell them.
If you no finish, I no go see you for this
Baba,
place.
I go sell them.
You dey help tell the talk. You dey help tell the talk.
Take this ticket. Come. Sir. Collect your money. Come.
Mudogo yaro, and monkey tail. Mami we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she wants to faint though. Story for the gods. Now she say Morogo. What's it called me like bow? What's it called me layo? Story for the gods. So my God is sanity. See your back calamity. Girl I want to have it. Do I need your permit? Oh yeah, I need money. We got it. Better love than it. We go donate up for you like charity. Oh, it's how every cool of vine. The shaman with a tool for the vine. Every cock boy is what the vine. Yeah, but yeah, I want to redefine. I want to get to me wrong. Long minutes talk, but to me strong and money me long. You feel more for your wow, bye. I'm sorry, what's in the bag? And not get it. Mami, we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she wants to faint though. Story for the gods. Now she saying Morogo. What's it called me like bow? What's it called me like story for the gods. People like that, I see the care, I see the pair. I'm in the best, me and my friends. Nigerian flex, I might make you sense. I'm on this, but the jack will share me, Jim with the lock. What's a living like a camel fear? In my share room, I look at Milana Fia, and like Kuba Shile, I show Moon of you. Alex, but I don't. Sorry, Shalu, Salamo. Go and do it, go Faramo. Because I like Macoramo. I'll show you what I got. No, the young guy. I had the damage of Coloriaga. Love me, kind of my Kuru Maga. Love me, kind of my Tea Maga. And monkey tail. Mami, we claro. I want to do she not today. She not today. She said she cannot wait though. She said it's getting late though. She said she wants to faint though. Story for the gods. Now she saying Morogo. What's it called me like bow? What's it called me layo? Story for the gods. The oh.
Kind report where my boys they carry give me based on 2 of una. I no like am for this place. What is the worry now? What is that one now?
See, Oga Chairman. Say now because of that your boy we are refused man send medicine to. Now he make you carry my matter for head like gala where you self got the price me anyhow.
I beg. Wetin dem talk say I do? Me. What I do then?
Enough of this nonsense. What they do for this park? Una dey hear me so? The kind of life for 2 of una they live for this park is too outrageous. I don't even understand.
Outrageous? Hey, wait, Chairman. So, because of this small case, we don't even make brain. Where the manage can't give you. Now you make you just there here, they speak big grammar. Make we 14 say you go school. Come on, you go school.
Come on, shut up your mouth. What do you mean? What do you know? What do you know? See, make I tell you, all this abro way they see, where they parade around. Now they know what's up. See, make I tell you, most governors where they see, where they parade like that, they be abro before they become this governor where they see.
You say, I know that when you talk about I know they.
Oga Cambridge, if you like, go school. If you like, no go school. What do you concern me with that? See, you go better me you want those your boys, oh. Want them well, oh. Want them. Because me, I go bite them, oh.
Come on, shut up your mouth there. You go bite them. See, make I tell you now. Make I not take my kindness for granted. See, I be python, oh. Go ask so, now me be clash. I be python, I dey swallow people. I go swallow una too.
You want swallow? Thank you very much. Just wait, make I waka comot. I beg, swallow am for me. You dey hear? Swallow am for me. But as you dey swallow am, take careful. If he choke you, you know say na trailer.
God, you see say you dey mad.
You say wetin?
You see say na the rubbish wey you dey always do be this.
You say wetin?
Na you and your generation dey go swallow.
Bagbe.
Enough of this nonsense when they talk for my front. Now don't get fear. Now don't look face. Next time my boys carry complaint, can't give me again. I no go get choice, than to pursue and come up for this park.
You never reach like that now. No be something where you just tell us nah. You for say make we go house, go think am. As wise man, that's what they do now.
Wah. Okay, now this rubbish where they fall out of a man anyhow. Now you they call wise. Now the only reason why they call you chicken brain be this.
God punish you.
Allah do the same to you.
You don't reach level looking at the sort like this. You should know that they match. Make una match come up for here.
No, you go wait. Make it swallow now.
I can't forget to.
If that
you know they look for come on here.
Forget to. All the chairman where they park where we know. Now money that they spend though. They know they carry shoulder like.
Your size don't they deceive you, Abi. Now wrestler will be your size. What I need, make I just wrap you, smoke you. Nonsense.
Oh wow, that shit. Some people say, they go die for this one, carry the coffee for their head. I wanna talk a piece.
I have 100 naira.
Which 100 naira? You give us 100 naira, may we give you.
Whoa. I go jail.
You go jail, you idiot. Come on, where is this?
Let's wait to see, make I tell you, Join here and give me blow.
Wait, come here. You the crazy? Eh? Now what? Why you dey harass my girls? Something they do you for head.
I won't go collect money.
You want collect money? You get anybody where you give money here, make it for you?
Owo pack.
It's again. Owo pack. Owo pack. Chineke buo wono. Ekwensu osiaranya. Owo pack. All those people where they drive bus, they don't pay finish. In fact, what they talk say, go tell whoever will send you say me of fake. And they give any agboro shish. Shishi, you no go smell am. Oh yeah, get out! Come on here!
And the shark did they give me? The shark did they give me here?
Oh, no only agidi you see, now your mouth they shake like this. If I give you better lebon, now you say you go faint. Oh yeah, come out here! Oh my
Mama, we said, no, Nigeria, no money. Oh, ma, Tonto, Sonia.
Oh boy, what's up now? You want to buff up like this?
Oh boy, shut up your mouth. What do you mean? Sound of the dress well. What did they worry you? Oh, but I won't go Ikeja. I won't go see one babe like that. Go see my babe.
See this one.
Which one now? Which one face day like this? You won't beat me?
Chairman, no be those stupid girls where they sell agbo for this park. Every time they no go one pay. Me, I don't tire for them, oh.
Not true. Not true. I don't tell you, Clash. May we give these girls formula. You understand? They all know they too much for this park. May we give them formula.
Oh boy, cool down. Now normal girls now. What you want to do them? Chill. Don't worry, boy. I go ward them. I go talk to them, yeah? But first off, make I see that ticket. You don't try this money now. Sam.
Yeah.
Make sure you give him the other tickets if you finish this one. Oh boy, continue selling, eh? Oh boy, make it go, yeah?
I don't hear what you talk, Chairman.
I don't tell you, Clash. May we format these girls. May we reboot them, download them. Finally, may we delete them. I say cool down. This cool down thing, now they cause wahala.
Boy, cool down now. What did they worry you? I dey in charge. I go talk to them.
Cool down.
Follow me go to Ikeja. Shop the office.
Now which money? Which I get motor for this one. Where you dey collect money for park? You dey make which one? Oh yeah, which one?
Just show yourself for there now. Just do it anyhow for that place. Don't agree pay money. Or beat me, John.
So these girls, them, they don't grow wings. Gather mind. Get mind. Can't do this kind of thing to my man. It's not possible now. I don't know if you accept this kind of thing now. For this park, it's not possible now. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Come on.
Hello, Baba.
Where the girls why say make you go call?
I don't go there, call them. They no agree come.
You say?
They say they no go come.
Hey, oh boy, see fuck up. Oh boy, see fuck up. For this park, Oh boy, nah man, they don't get two captains for one ship now. Me will be clash. You should say, you tell them say na me send you. Me will be clash, send you, make you go call them.
I think they say that you will be chairman. Say no, they'll call. They say
Hey. So you don't reach this level. You don't reach this level for this park. I go call them. They don't say they know they come. Hey. For this park. For this park. No possible now. No worry yourself. She they want war. We'll give them war.
Madam, you get monkey tea?
Me, what I no get. I get monkey tea, I get waist spray, shama, igbogana, awokpa, okpayin, lemongrass, pepper soup self day.
Cause my wife say me not dey perform well for bedroom. Madam, not true.
You dey mad? Now me be your wife. I won't take no. Anyway, sir, make us see him, sir. Come.
Madam, why you feel now? Now you get her.
I said that there. Not be the thing what we dey see every day anyhow. Anyway, that will not be problem. I go find you something where we say I go make. As I dey look at myself, the thing no big, you know long. But no worry, I go give you the one where go make it long. Where go be like horse and cow own.
No, madam, you want give me the one where go long where like horse or like cow?
Yes, now.
No, madam, I don't want horse no. I don't want cow no. Na the normal one I want.
Okay, no problem. I go find you the one where go last you like 2 hours. You go there 2 hours, they enter, they come away where.
Okay, bring down.
But no come and say, now me give you that thing.
No, madam, I don't call you, I don't call you.
No problem, I'll find you one. Okay. Bros, wait, you want to follow me? Wait here. You want to go check us how they take mixer. They here, they come.
Now who get this ghetto? Now we. Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you no go bow, we go show you power now. Now who get this ghetto? Now we. Now who they run things? Now we. Now who know they fear face? Now we. Governor the way they, president the Fabuja. Now who they rule for here? Now we. Ojuku be our ghetto mama. Ojuku be our area baby.
Bia, alangidi ka alankita kana bog. What in this mean? Eh? Alangidi.
What's happen?
Ogini.
Why you they call me like say I die?
Why you they come on my clothes? They put your own. What happen?
As I come on your clothes, where I put my own. What you go come do for me now? What you do me? What you go do? Yes, as I don't cover your cloth now, pull my own. Now see your walls. Yes. Are you the man? You bought me water. You bought me water.
Now what is it there, man? Rose, good morning, no. I bet you know this. Oga Ket can make a collect light money.
How much?
Now only 300. I better not vex. Get what's now one thing.
Waiting happen again. Waiting be that.
Now Oga caretaker say make her collect light money.
Oga who?
Caretaker.
Hey, Monica, now when you become tax collector, see your life.
What do you do my life now?
Monica, now this thing Judas do, Sote he said Jesus. Now he said one begin they do. Go tell them say you no see me.
I like it. You go pay for the light or you no go pay.
No pay for waiting.
For light now.
Light. Hey, egba me. Person wey no get TV, wey no get radio, I no get anything wey light dey carry. Even my phone, I dey use 2020 naira dey charge am. E go better when I go tell them make they come cut this light oh. I no need am.
You know what? Make they cut the light abi. But you pay for the one wey you don already use. But you no go still pay for the one wey you don't use.
So how much?
Only 300.
300 naira. Now you dey call only. No, you dey work. If you dey work, you go know the meaning of 300 naira now. Now 300 you dey call. You go better make you call them make they call this light oh. I don't need them.
So ordinary 300 naira you know. Later now you gonna do big game. Makwanda ibu. We gonna fear you.
Monica, no go ahead. Now me you don't begin they use me. They learn how to talk. Now me you they use they learn how to talk your language. No worry. I don't see say you know they fear again. Fear not dey your agenda. I go get you. I get it. Olusi.
Come, give us that money, oh. What do you do yourself? I said, give us that money. Come, collect that money from this guy. What do you do? I got this money. Don't be me.
You dey crazy. If you try am, I go break your head. I know they fear your bottle. If you try me here, I go reduce you.
I go bust you. Collect money from this guy now. Collect that money from here. I don't tell you. Collect that money from her. Collect the money.
I agree. What do you want to say about me?
Shebina money. How much?
Now 100 card, that be the money now.
100 is shame for your age. Now 100 card.
You don't mean anything.
Okay. See the 100 card. Oh yeah, go take and dear.
Yo. Hey, show yourself for here, eh? If I tell you, next time I will enter this place, I go bust the head for here.
Guy, collect her. Now what I do? What do you do?
I don't do anything, Abi. No, I don't pay the money. So I tell you, I go collect the money now.
I go bust your head. I will tell you, come here.
Leave them. No be by plenty talk. To God who made me, eh? If we not take over this park, come in, Mumu. Hey, you see this thing where they do today? We go do them back. No talk too much. Leave that Yoruba boy where just the pass mag and they talk anyhow. When time comes, he go run like Allah with his sister. Hey, yeah. Hey, Ngwa, Bota.
Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you no go bow, we go show.
Now which kind of play be this one now? Which kind of play be this one now? Make you carry my car come here. Wait till the worry. I give you car make you do. You carry my car go your way. Which kind of see if I close my eye, open arm, my car in my office.
Wow, Baba. Nah. Carry my car come my office. No.
Make I call. Oh boy, what did happen? Why on her face dey like this now?
Wow.
What do you mean now? Wow, wanna talk to me now?
Wow.
Which one be now? Wow, which did they happen?
No be all these guys. No be all these guys. Why I tell you say we give them information? You say we cool down. Nah, see ya.
Mona no make me vex now. I don't let vex since day now. Waiting they happen. Mona play me the inner tape.
Woman, what they been down peace? Obeke, what they been down peace? Come to show us. They nearly beat this guy today.
For this park. Oh boy. You dey tell me say those girls touch you again. They get mind. Touch you again.
And when they do me here for that side, they don't do me here for that side.
See, make I tell you now. You see today, their cup don't full. They must come up for this park today. These girls, they must come up for this park today. See, you two of now, make una go arrange Oshodi, Bado, and Ojue Legba. Tell them, make they carry all those boys them, where they those parks. Make all of them show here. No. I won't see them.
We go set formation, give them. At the end since. What are they do now?
Where did they go, man? Finally, now to save formation, you understand?
Today, let the
You go ahead today. Oh my God, tell you. Lower back here.
For this park. Hey! You know if it happen. You know if it.
I am Krone. Oh, when you're the bombardio. Get it a mero wajika borum non way.
Which?
Aja,
you be. You don't carry your witchcraft. Come carry us come over where we dey make our money. Abi?
Bia. Na pikin we no medicine. Na in the talk say, mama go market, go buy vegetable. You see this your dirty body, this your sick body where you take touch me. I go forgive you. Because I know say na star you want take tap healing power from me. But if you know say your mama born you well, make you use that your dirty body touch me again.
If you touch you, what you go do? Pharaoh.
You say?
What do you go do? Yes, I call you.
Pharaoh. Now your papa be Pharaoh. Your mama. All your family members, all of them are Pharaoh. Now frustration they do you. Now frustration because you no get hope. You be cow without pack. Marry. Born. Work. Make money. Who sigh? You won't carry your frustration put for my body. God punish you.
Can you work game when we say you get car, you get the pack? What's it don't happen to you?
You don't get
when we get our money, you can't carry your
you don't get talk.
Carry out. What I do everything.
See, you don't get talk. Oh.
I get.
Don't talk, you don't get because I better pass you.
Ow.
See as I did.
How you did?
This Lagos where you just they claim anyhow. Ma tell you. As I did so now, if I hustle, you know walk, I go just do U-turn. Come turn my face to my village. Go. But you know your village. You know your papa. Them born you. You know where you from come. No be pick, they pick you for those bin. Come and tell make I hear one.
I don't even get papa. I that one join up.
What you get?
I don't get.
You get?
I fall from heaven. I don't get.
You fall from heaven.
Imagine I'm a Igbo for Lagos. Now you see the challenge me for Lagos. You forgo your village.
You see this place where would they? I better pass you 100%.
Go your
you
village.
You claim say you be Lagos, but I better pass you for the Lagos self.
How you take better?
You could say better to in Aguaka. Obo say haka akpati. You could say better in Aguaka.
Speak the word we are going here.
Now me say make you not come from village. Now the same thing what we dey talk now. You don't get village. Speak your own, make we hear. They speak my own. Ozu nwura uchu aka ga akpo okpokwa santu na enu e buo okpo. O Igbo cancel. Speak your own. Nonsense.
Ozu olodu.
Akpati.
Agbegbe monkey lorun.
Frustration.
Now, don't worry.
See, if na me be you. You don't buy rope. Since
May you just die. You go just die. Now you now. As you go buy rope, may you use her for yourself.
I say, if them burn you well and your head correct, touch me again.
Me?
Touch me. I said touch me again.
Okay, I touch you.
Not be that kind of touch. You know the kind of
touch you. Make I touch you. Me not the game where we dey play with that. I don't touch you.
You dey look for who to kill you. You go die by yourself.
Aje! Wait! Aje!
Ifo kodi. Idi ki ye jato aga. Idi ka arusi.
Na midnight you dey fly. If they burn you well, fly for afternoon. Every day, na one thing. Hey! Aje! Go back your... Maybe na Anambra or anywhere where you from come. Go back.
Monkey. Elephantitis. Buru ihu duka ihu arụsị akpọchi mmadụ ihu. Amadi ọha kubikwa agha ọnọdụ ya idiot. No verse. I don't ready, make we go. No verse, eh?
Rose, when will you learn to dress like a woman you are? Not all the time, nika, trousers. At least you go with mini skirts.
Meaning, gene. Wait, that one nice out, I be waiting. Waiting can't do what I wear. Come. People when they dress like this, they don't die finish. Waiting be your problem. Eh? Abi, you don't get any day where you won't enter. Waiting I wear, can't say make you not enter.
Don't quote me wrong. That's not what I said.
In fact, I don't verse. I no do again.
Eh? Why?
You see those born again Christians? Eh? Go find them, do them. I know they do.
Why? Come, Joe.
They haven't leave me waiting.
Nah, calm down.
No, go find those born again sisters now. Go do them. I know verse.
Come.
Respect yourself. You like it.
Now who get this ghetto? Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you no go bow, we go show you power now. Now who get this ghetto? Now who they run things? Now who know they fear face? Now we govern all the way they.
Now welcome. Mama dey. You never tell where she come out with her bobo.
She drop key.
She no drop key.
Hey, wow.
I don't know how to say. But Muna no worry, Muna go inside, Muna wait for her. You no go tell her she go come. She go soon come.
Okay, thank you.
No worry, I be dey go market.
Buy something now.
Okay, no worry.
Now where Mama dey now? Mama, I go. Food no dey like this. I dey move. No man, Mother, no, I got it.
I beg, you don't tell when I come.
You don't tell, but you never see.
Chai, no verse. I don't even know when I carry key come out.
But
you know the firewood now, eh? Before uncle.
Mama, where Allah girls?
I don't know where she carry her giddy breast go. I beg, make we go inside when I just see.
No, they told to don't worry. See, by the time we cook this food finish now, we chop. By that time, if we go don't come back. So we go sit down, reason this matter, say as it won't be. Because I don't have to sit down for house.
I like this our business, show. They tell you.
Abi?
I just fall. I wish say we could just go back.
Now my prayer, they pray every day. They kabash. They pray here.
Amara. Where you come go pastor now?
No only pastor they pray. Wait till they worry you. When are they inside the room? They robo.
This guy is too much now. What's happened? When I won't put down the foundation of this house, or this will be like National Theatre, why not just make noise anyhow?
You just they talk that thing, or you just they fuck come up for your mouth anyhow. What's happen again?
Hey, Giant, I mean they follow talk anyhow.
No. She there.
Alagidi. He never repents so.
You never repent. Time never come, we go put head together. Do something about the embarrassment that our people do give us.
Come, what's be your name?
My name na Nkechi, and there's the one you goddess.
Ago.
Nah, Hey. See, let's look at it from my perspective.
Grammar. What's happen? You won't give me with grammar. Your grammar too much now. I know they understand.
Sorry.
What they tell I'm sorry.
See, move throw away pride. Throw away. See, move face waiting they face us. Everyone knows say that what people don't treat us well. The question now be say, what thing we go do?
Nkechi, leave that one.
Leave her. I dey hear you. Tell me something.
See, for this matter right now, we can't fight these Agboro people with our last blood. I tell you.
Hey, see, man, tell you. You know. It's how the thing where you don't talk. The only one where me I know, you saw the only one where I want me you come out inside now that blood. Blood. What's you?
See, as you see us soon, myself and Amara, we don't make up our mind. Say this matter will follow you fight them to the last.
So, you may say you won't go fight Agbero.
Ha. I don't search everything. I don't dig search. See, if you want to defeat government, you guys fight them. So that you go carry their throne or their crown, anything. Me as I did like this, and I'm at you. Now wow.
I go to think now. I go to. You mean say you won't fight the Agbero?
We dey fight and straight up.
Okay, don't worry. I go reason them.
Alagidi.
NK. I don't know say you get sense like this. So why can't they follow us? They do our job. Okay. It's about the chamber.
Oh, Japan or Bali.
You were serious. I want to.
Gbako sọ fún toko rogbodo ìyàwó àgbẹ̀dù náà rẹpẹtẹ onílé gbako sọ fún toko rogbodo ìyàwó àgbẹ̀dù náà rẹpẹtẹ. Hey! Come.
Chero, na me you dey call like that?
Oh, no vex. Ompa, come. This thing wey Nkechi tell me, I be don reason am well. And I think say na better talk. I want more we join body. Forget this hatred wey dey between us. So we go fit fight for our inheritance.
Anyway, she tell me the same thing. So, what thing you want make we do about her?
See, I want more we join body. More we go that park go fight for our inheritance. More we take and replace our medicine where they been throw away the other time. Or what do you think I talk?
So now you wake up. Now you wake up from sleep, Abby?
I know they sleep before. I know they sleep. See, small pikin tell us better suggestion. You dey here they begin the yarn rubbish again. It go better but we act immediately.
Anyway, I don't hear what you talk. When you ready and you sure say you don't ready, call me.
So what if that one mean?
Na greeting.
Na greeting be that ekwe. You go see stereo man. Come this girl don't colo. She don't crazy so. Go dey yarn this, go dey yarn this, go dey yarn that, go dey yarn this. Oh my Alagidi don't die. I don't see many from this girl. But that will not be the issue right now. Oni legba ko sa fun toko. Rogbodo.
See, since when them pursue us come out for where would they do business. Ega Kogo. I don't get money again. Even the small one where I save, I don't chop and finish. Honestly.
You know what?
What? Can you talk where? I better talk what you want to talk, or say me you know what.
Well, I will speak to one of my friends to assist you get a job in their company.
You want make I go begin work for company?
Is there anything bad about it?
Everything they bad about it, my friend. No be your fellow men, they take care of their woman. Your own solution now, make I go work for company. See your head. Since when I know you, you don't ever count money, say, make I take a whole body. You don't ever waka, even if na kurukere, waka, come here. Buy cloth for me, say, make I take and the package myself. Now to bring dirty suggestion. I bet hold on, dear.
But the truth is that you've never demanded for it.
Oh, I never demand them. Okay. Now him I dey demand now. I need money. Obinna. I need money now. So give me money.
How much are we talking about here?
Well, you know much. But just 100K.
Eh? 100,000?
No, they fear you. Says you just open your eye like frog.
Where will I get that kind of money?
Okay, no worry yourself. Just give me 50K.
50K.
Which one be 50K? Which kind? Okay, not just worry your head. Give me 10K for the abeg.
I will give you 2K.
God punish you. God punish you there. You say what? You go give me.
Give you 2K.
Go. You don't. In fact, get out. Get out from here. Who they okay? Na person where get 2K. Now you know they okay. Get out from here. Let's go. You dey craze for there. Come on here, my friend. Hey. I go take water escort you.
You're talking to
me. Who you be? Get out.
Hey. Oga. Where you dey go?
What's your own problem?
I know hear you well.
I said, what is your own problem?
Obinna, I don't want to make people come here because of both of us. Get out. Abi, you want make I take water escort you?
You're embarrassing me.
Get out! Get out!
If your brother they do you well,
come on here.
Away!
Mr. Duke.
They go.
You.
Mr.
They
Duke.
go. 0 kobo. 0 naira. They go. Bye-bye.
You. Waiting.
What's up now?
For what now?
I help you pursue your gonorrhea boyfriend. You don't like him.
I beg you. Leave him like that for me.
Babe, I beg, see, forget all these things. See me as a day here, so. I don't get time for man. That person will get time, they work lot for foul. Me. They don't get that in there, true. How you they talk that in true for your language?
Ezioku.
They don't get soku for mouth. Esoku. 0. Now only lies. That's why I know they give them a chance.
Come, wait, now you talk this thing, Abi. Person they talk through you. Abi today na Pentecost day. Because since I know you, this is not the first time when you talk something wey make brain.
So I know they make brain ever since.
You know they make brain before now.
Anyway, hope say you don't forget tomorrow, Sha.
No. Where your girls, sef? Your girls.
They go soon show. Now as I hear your voice, now you make me come out so. Now they give that this ones. And they give that chance so. I person when get time they work up for foul. And they give that those ones. See. You don't come them.
Abi.
I don't get.
Oh God. One day kuko mwe mwoke chori ne anya. Burudu mwoke manne anya.
My people. See. By tomorrow, we are going to possess our possession. Yes. See that park? Now our possession.
Yes, so. One more thing. See, nothing they happen. No. If una dey waka, make una raise shoulder, dey waka like say na una get this world. Because as una dey here so, nobody wey be say na woman born am fit do na anything. Nothing. Even if they like, make them take bullets, baff una. Nothing they enter this body. Nothing where they fit do now.
So we go they appear, disappear, reappear, Abi?
Depending on the case.
So we go to disappear to appear somewhere.
My friend, no be to disappear be the cocoa. Now where you go appear? Now you suppose the thing. Because you feel disappear now. Come appear where you from disappear. And you feel appear on top burning fire. Shout. You feel disappear. Come appear where picking the bar on top in head.
See. My people, as it be so, kill again.
Let's go. Our mama, we don't come. Thank you very much for the power where you give us. We know say you no go fit forsake us. You try well. Thank you. You hear? Now that power, now we don't carry come for this pack. Make we plant time. Make things begin to happen. As we plant this power here, anything where we want, now we do get for this pack. All our enemies go they bow to us for this pack. All our rivals go they bow to us for this pack. Anything what we tell anybody, now the person go they do for this pack. Anybody way near us go no say something day. But as usual, we go they do them. The more you look, the less you see. Now our power and things where we they do for this pack. Now everybody go they talk about here. Since the kites don't learn to fly without perching, we will be hunters. We don't learn to fire without aiming. As we talk am, now so it go day. Because united we stand, divided we fall. That's so.
Dorima, Omugabia, Dorima, Inarike, Dorima, Dubani, Dorima.
Agborile, Ajekuo. Agborile, Ajeja. Agborile, Ajekuo. Agborile, Ajeja. Agborile, Aokumo. Àṣẹdọwọ́ ilẹ̀ tájọ mú.
Ibà.
Queen of the coast, we your daughters, we dey your presence. We won't make you protect us. We won't make you empower us. We won't make you give us strength. So that we go strong kakaraka. Hey, Queen of the coast, we won't make you accept this our supplication. And we won't make you give us power. Make we strong so that nobody go fit destroy us.
The foundation of the earth is laid upon the seas, and the power that upholds the populace of the foundation lies the mystery, and mystery shall do know. Wisdom is the principal thing, and with it the kingdom is used, and with it also the kingdom is destroyed. Mystery you seek, and mystery you shall get. Go, your sacrifice and supplication have been accepted.
Iba! Iba! Iba!
Agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹ́kú o. Agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹja. Agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹ́kú o. Agbórí ilẹ̀ ajẹja. Agbórí ilẹ̀ òkú mọ́. Àṣẹdọwọ́ ilẹ̀ tàjọ mú.
Alágídí!
Why we dey curse each other? Why we dey wound each other? When we be one for this world, oh eh. If we leave this world for only you, you no go fit stay. If you leave this world for only me, I no go fit live.
Now when we say we don't resume office now, what do you think say be the next thing?
You say? Come. Which kind of mumu question be that one now? If I talk say you no get sense now, you go say na course. How you gonna ask that kind of question? The next step na to work and make the money wey bring us come here.
But Ofeke, you get waiting enter my mind now.
Waiting.
I go let me change pattern.
Now football will they play here? Waiting come bring pattern for this matter. What will they talk now?
Oh God. The pattern where I be they talk. We say I go let me change the money where we go to collect from the drivers. And this more will change. I mean increase more.
Okay. But no be now.
Come which level self? Who make you the oga for here now? Where they dish out? They dish out all like say you dey dish out bread.
Then go sit down for butter. What do you mean by that? Come. If you like say you don't forget, Abi. You don't forget. You want me to just scatter this park? You know what I fit do am. If you vex me now, go just stay there, scatter here. Waiting.
Come, calm down. Who make a person wey don't get money no dey shout again? This position where we dey, we no need to dey. Person wey hold where we no dey shout.
Leave that matter.
They anticipate say you be billionaire now.
Leave am.
No be what we gonna do. E no necessary. Na poor man dey fight.
So who keep me? Just morning collection. Oh.
Before.
We never do afternoon collection. We never do evening collection. Ha! Nah. Money there this agboro job. Oh.
Before, uncle.
Ha! No wonder they just they buy car anyhow.
Hey, see you there. They monkey yourself. I'll tell you, see, forget all this is what they say what they do. Or is na job what they do before. Now this is that they call job. Oh. For me, now I can't bring where him be you.
Honestly, see, the way things they go now, by December, I'm gonna buy my own machine. That's how I'm gonna pull the entire. Hey! You don't say me, I don't.
Hey! Anyway, now what do you like? You talk say you want, but mama don't like. Me, I would like to keep my house. Because even me with them, some people, I want me that as they call their name, that they call me. If father, she want to salute that way up go people, you don't get sense now. You just, mama, you just say you get sense.
Don't insult me.
I know they, so I just tell you.
You get the no.
What is it? You get the no.
Na chieftaincy title.
Na chieftaincy title.
You get the no one of Ofeman.
Anyway, same to you.
He go beat you.
He get the no. Thank you. Now I'm going to work out. I'm going to work out like this.
Hey! Money!
Hey! Hey! How's it doing?
Now who get this ghetto? Now we. Now who get this side? Now we. If you say you no go down, we go show you power. Now who get this ghetto? Now we. Now who they run things? Now we. Now who know the fear face? Now we. Governor the way they, president the Fapuja. Now who they rule for yeah? Now we. Ojoku be our ghetto mama. Ojoku be our area baby. Now she be your guy. Now she the rule for yeah. Now she. Ojoku be our ghetto mama. Ojoku be our area baby. Now she be your guy. Now she the rule for yeah. Now she.
Give me what? Hey! You the mad? Oh, bia. No friend man, put you no my sense. So we did there, they wait, make we count this money. Now come hide there, they count them alone. We don't want to am alone, Abi. Oga Boboon.
Some Igbo. Give me that money now.
Hey.
Or else. What's it happen for 1960 go happen?
See, come over there. Person when see you they talk, go say you know book. Meanwhile you fail history. Waiting you know about what happened for 1960.
Give me this.
Now me go tell you. Me Ojuku go tell you. Ombosaka Nigeria with independence. We pack. Why you not here? You do say money. Give it. Just 5 minutes.
Hey bro, something happen. Good morning. I beg give my booking money.
As there is a priest now, if I come back, I will give you your booking money now.
Oh bros, now one never chop since. Now let's see happen. See the small money where I get now. You don't want give me my booking money.
I know how to give you your booking money now.
Oh God, beg. As you dey throw down for this pack, I beg they produce my money. I know they joke with my money. Oh, you understand? Make I no change that for you.
I know.
Never can change it again. Now, okay. Ngwano. Oh yeah, your booking money.
Now waiting. Who na find come?
Inspector Nicholas from Area Command and my colleague, Sergeant Daniel from the same station.
So?
Madam, we have heard all the atrocities you people have been committing in this park, and we are here to invite you people over to our station for questioning.
You say, hey, I don't die. Say, Kalebe, oh, you the wine mouth for me, Abi. Ekelebe, listen, man, tell you now. If you like, be chief of army staff. If you like, be IG of police. For your pocket, he no concern me. You dey hear me so? You see this park where we dey so? Na me be general officer. Na me be area command for here. So not just come here they make noise say cause say you be police. Waiting now. Make I run because you be police. Say cause I never see police before. Shoo see oh.
What's it they happen?
They kelebe oh.
When I miss road, they look for a person. Who them be?
Even I said they lost.
Ekelebe. Ekelebe for waiting now.
Madam, don't allow us to use force on you people.
Force. Hey. Okay. So you carry force, come here, Abi. Come and tell you something before you know or before you go. See this park where you come. You know say you be police. You get cell for your side. Now so we Agbero get cell for this park. If you vex me now, I go call my boys when they just throw away you inside cell. You go by someone na come and go.
See, may I tell you now, this park where we na consult, na federal government on its own.
Yes, so
we get different arms of government for inside here, oh. And as she talk, if I no see una back now, una go smell ourselves. And trust me, I'm going to say no do that now. But you have a moose.
Madam,
come up here!
We will go, but we will come back.
You see the talk?
You will go, but you can't.
No, start now.
Madam,
you for smell ours.
Madam, we will go, but we will come back. This one are friends.
You know, say our say bad.
They have fun. I
make noise, say they get said. They don't know say our say. I beg, come see, these girls bring money.
See, oh, fake your waiting. I don't know what you call yourself. Okay, go better me you want those uncircumcised screaming and where you carry call here. Want them oh.
You don't get respect. Since you just they call the name oh fake. Come, my guests know better pass those short engine where get big nyash where you carry come. Don't they talk anyhow for here oh. Even I say you don't forget saying na me be the Ojuku for here. Na me be the warlord. You see this jungle? Na me be king. So not just sit down your big nyash for there, they talk anyhow. No vex me, no vex.
Cause even I say you dey craze. Which one be say, you be Ojuku, you be Ojuku. If you be Ojuku of this one, why you don't go your Igbola? Every time you go there, you be who now? Say you be Ompa. Come on. You go better me you don't buy the finger what feed you.
You sabi make noise.
Okay.
Your noise no be for here. I tell you. You see all these concom where they two make noise, empty vessel now you be. You know say if you drop am na so your word dey talk no do am. See ma tell you, leave that thing where you dey talk. How will they know people wey sabi? No be waiting them talk. Now waiting them do. You don't tell why they hear wetin you go do, do am we no see. Go sit down for pota make I hear word now.
Okay, Motigba, I don't hear. But me I know say I go lock you up. Throw away the key inside see.
That
Don't
one.
worry.
Now talk of person when no get strength. You don't understand? I like you because you too talk what you no fit do. You no fit do one now.
I like you go.
Go.
Kọ́ ti ma fi ojú ẹ̀ rí. Kọ́ ti ma fi ojú àwọn tó ní ẹ rí. Kọ́ ti ma fi ojú àwọn tó ní ẹ rí. Wọ́n ìyálàjà òní wò tán. Fíìmù tó gùn gan ni. Òní wò tán.
Oh ma, na 15k be this, 15,000.
15,000. Nah, you try well. Hey. Complete. Yes, it's complete. Mama. 12,000. Now I make you they draw your mouth. 12,000. No be your mate bring 15. You they draw mouth for 12,000. You don't know what that 3,000 mean? Just a day. 12,000. Shine your eye. You complete.
So now 15k.
15,000. We have tried today.
Hey, Mama na lie yo. This girl tell us say she bring 20,000 naira. 20.
You said wait. Come. Now how much you collect from those drivers?
Mama, now the one where I see I collect now.
Oh, and then the rest come fly. Because I know say my guests know they lie. You collect 20,000. You can't give us 15. For your eye will be mugu abi.
Come here. We know your time.
Mama, nothing dey my body. Check. My body. Nothing dey my body.
Hey!
Oh,
Nando fe manu ezugbo mmadu.
No, tell me now how many times Central Bank don dey warn us say more no dey put money for our body.
I don't know when the thing enter my body.
No! He develop leg. Come waka. Enter inside your body. You dey mad. Chineke flush one of them.
Olè ni ẹ́, adójútì ni ọmọ ló fẹ́ yà. Wọ́n ló máa jẹ́ káwọn ejò kéékèèké yìí come and sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi. Now get out from here. Come over here!
Cut away you!
Mama. Oh, ma.
If we not take time, these girls that go overthrow us.
Is you. I don't know about
all lies in English. What do you talk?
It means said the girls no be am.
For what? Booking money here.
Bros,
no they pay here before.
Oh boy, give me money.
What did happen here?
What be this one?
Oh yeah, bring the money.
No say na me supposed collect the booking money. Now who talk am?
The person where they work was supposed to tell you, supposed to tell you the new development.
What rubbish development with that one? Come, bring that money, because we don't know anything where they happen for here.
I mean, Mona waka come make I concentrate.
Who they talk to? Who you they talk to?
You now, you remember.
I bet you know if you talk to me, you be shewing. I like give me money, make I give you.
See me like it's not how they find trouble.
Okay, wait till they happen for here.
No, like you know what make I concentrate, collect booking money this morning, no.
Makawa.
Go back. Go ask your mother. Why?
I don't tell you where get for mom mouth. Say your mouth they flaunt like okay. But I don't tell Luna say make una mind una business for this fact. Because if you do anyhow, I go change and fall off. Una no dey fear anybody. What they talk now you? You don't say you no get sense. Make I tell you, we no get any other business for this fact. Now Agbero work with the two. You hear me?
Babe, you even they talk. I bet no talk. Wait till I know be say, wait till they happen for here. Now be say, now we they collect money this money. Now no get brain. Bring that money. Bring the money. Collect the booking money. More now do na say. No man, never you get me. Wait, so those things, those malu looking girls where you carry, that liver go fight my girls. Hey, nna ogonga nu ana ma watching bia gbara me o. You dey craze? No be person I dey talk to. Oh, you don't suddenly dey form deaf and dumb for me, abi? You dey form deaf and dumb for me, Ofeke. Ofeke. Now you and your generation go become suddenly deaf and dumb. Ofeke, who you be now? You be God? No, tell me you be God? Or will they take your name and prayer? Every time when we dey pray, we dey say in the name of Ofeke. Every time they do one thing. Forget if you like, may they call you junior sister to Lucifer. You not concern me. Or now because they call you Ojuku, you're gonna do make me the pose. You don't know who Ojuku be. You fail history for school or there. Fear! Joy! You don't understand? See, ma tell you, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. I know why you just misbehave anyhow. You know say you. If I look you finish, I don't know what I go do you. Because you not be from up. You know from down. You be forbidden fruit. I know say all this is your body where you just they claim. Nah lie, nothing. If I go there, go outside, they don't know who you are. I made it matter. Me I don't be bastard from Jabode. You say go in Jabode, go ask. And then someone is Jabode. I want to me what? That's all I have to go. I want solos. I want solos. You want solos?
What thing you can't do for you?
I can't see my lover.
Hey, who be that your lover? Where you want see? Where make you come out for this song? See this song now.
See, I can tell you, even if rain dey fall, this is my lover. He want me person enter rain. So now you dey ask who be my lover? Okay, who else be my lover? If no be you.
Hey, I don't know when I tell you say I don't give you chance make you be my friend. Please tell me when I tell you say you be my friend now.
See, Namio. Nami Uche.
You dey call you.
Hey, auntie.
How you dey?
Good afternoon, sister.
Because your wife.
I can see my wife. See, I see my account for inside dream. I'm here now. So now I say, I can see fish.
No word. You don't do. You will come go back, go sleep again. That dream continue, man. Can't they go?
No. He can't see his wife. Where you call the portion they go now?
They crazy. Waiting they worry you. I bet respect yourself. Oh yeah. Can't they go?
Now in a hurry. You want divorce me? Make I tell you. Even for Bible. Bible talk I say if you want divorce your husband, try give a sophisticated of divorce.
Okay, mama. Forget about it. In fact, you don't marry. You don't marry. Come on, the go so don't later.
Hey, see trouble.
Tell your husband say you'll see her later.
Sophisticated. I will see you later.
Come on, the go.
I love you. I will see you tomorrow.
Massively the compound. Okay. Where broom? Where broom? Anything. Ona get water. Ma go fetch water. Okay. Anything from my God.
Make I help you come on. You don't say you the financial. You don't say you the you go die here. You go die. You give me a go kill. You give me a kill.
No, I go kill you. I don't kill you. No, that you do. Just order for your coffee.